Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me.
Hey guys, so I think I'll wear it like this. Anyways, it look funny. It's wet. So I just laid my hair. I don't even know if I wanted to wear it like this or yeah, I think I'll just put it in a bun. I didn't pack my hair tight enough, so it's a little bumpy. Like it should have been like this. But anyway, I'm going out for early dinner with my husband. I don't know, it's been a while since we went out. So we're just going out to a restaurant to have dinner, and it's a Sunday, by the way. Such a long day. Well, not really a long day. I slept most of the day. It's been such a long last couple of days. Maybe that's what I should say. And yeah, so we're just having dinner today, and I give her my earrings. I put it in my pocket. So hope you guys are doing good, and I feel like I'm due for a sit down video. Guys, I miss wearing my hair like this. I won't even lie. I love it. I losing my hair 2 days ago when I washed it. The last time you saw me was when I losing my hair, and then I washed it yesterday night. Anyway, so I'm ready, and my full outfit. My top is from Zara. My pants is from Timo. Yes, Timo. So this was the top I bought a few clips ago, and then for fragrance of the day, I'm wearing Angel by Mugler. So good, and it's very strong, so I don't wear too much. It's very strong, so I'm not going to wear too much. And so my pants are like these wide leg pants, and then I'm pairing it with the crop top. And my purse is from Coach, so I'm just adding some color to my outfit. And I don't know if it's sunny, but I just want to wear my glasses. I don't care. And I need to clean it very well. I'll clean it, but this is what I'm gonna be looking like. I'm not wearing makeup because I'm tired. But yeah, so this is it. And I think I'll just wear flats, like sandals or something, because such a chill day. But anyways, I'm ready, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap it.
Hey guys, what's up? Ouch. Yeah, so today I have the day off. Last time I vlogged was I don't know, like 2 days ago. So I did like a spend a day with me vlog inside a vlog while I'm vlogging. But yeah, so ignore the sound, please. My balcony door is currently open, and I don't know, it's quite loud outside. So yeah, I'm about to head out for a bit of grocery shopping. I need to do some cooking. I usually do my cooking on my day off. obviously. And yeah, I also want to get some bed linens, like some pillows, some pillowcases. I just want to get new ones. The ones I have, they are getting old. But yeah, I'm rocking this t-shirt that I got from my vacation. Sorry, let me close the door. Better. So I'm rocking this t-shirt that I got from Cancun. I got it at the airport. So here, I think it just says Cancun, and it's like a piranha. And then it has like a piranha biting onto the shirt. And yeah, I'm just pairing it with these biker shorts that I got like 2-3 years ago that I've never worn. So this is it. So it's like a top and bottom. Like I have the same shirt of this, the same color, but I've only been wearing the shirt, but I never just wore the pants. But I feel like it goes perfectly well with this t-shirt because of the color contrast. And yeah, and I'm just wearing some Crocs. Ignore my vacuum on the side. So some Crocs, yeah. And yeah, I feel like I look cute. And yeah, guys, I think I look cute, so I'm about to head out now, and I will try to take you guys along if I can. But yeah, bye guys.
We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash in. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch.
Hello guys, good morning. So today is June 20th or 21st, I'm not sure, but it's the Tuesday. Yes, it's a Tuesday. Your girl is about to do her batch filming. Why am I referring to myself in third person? I'm about to batch film my videos. I want to make 3 videos. I have some brand content to put out as well. I haven't done this since March, since 3 months. This is why I like to batch film. It's very exhausting. I don't like it actually. Yeah, last time I did batch film was in March, and I've just been doing vlogs ever since. And I need some sit down videos, so I'm gonna be doing 3 videos today, and I hope it goes well. I hope it goes smoothly, and afterwards I have some cooking to do based on the groceries I did yesterday. Ouch. But yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup, and I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, I'm ready. That took like an hour, and I'm loving this look. I'm wearing a dress, by the way. Yeah, so guys, I'm late to filming already. Anyways, my hair is from the one and only Lush by Uche. You already know. I got this hair in September last year. I haven't worn it out. I've only been wearing it to film, and it's so cute. I like it. Alright, so let me go and film the first video, and I'll see you guys soon. So second video, and I'm wearing a dress. I don't know, I've been wearing dresses for my videos. Maybe I'm just bored of tops, of blouses. But yeah, second video, and I'm still rocking this hair because I feel like this is what suits this dress. Alright, let's go. And that's a wrap, guys. We're done. I filmed 3 videos. A part of me is wanting to film a 4th video, but like a chill video that I did not plan on doing, like just talking about my wedding planning process, because I promised you guys that video, and I don't want that video to be like an official video. I just wanted to sit down, have a drink, and just have like a chit chat with you guys, just talking about it. But I'm too tired because I have to cook, and it's almost 5 o'clock, and I started this thing like 3 o'clock. So that's a wrap, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, long time no see. I'm heading to the beach finally, and this is what I look like after much procrastination. Finally, today is warm, but I really feel underprepared. But I feel like I just have to go because I did a night shift too. Like I came back this morning from a night shift, and I'm so tired. And I woke up like I only had like maybe 2 or 3 hours of sleep. But I'm like, the beach must go on because tomorrow I'm going on a trip to Ottawa. But yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my one piece from, I got this piece from ASOS. I wore it to my Mexico trip, and white shirts and jeans. I already have my beach bag packed, and yeah, I'll take you guys along.
You can never sleep in traffic. There's living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the 2 hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you said. I guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Though it might be hard 'cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect. You get it? Just uneducated. But this so but you make it. One day, manners and respect. I'm a realist. I see your actions like an itchy clitoris. I never listen to the critics. They try to steal you from your feelings for cash. You tell me with the 2 hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you said. I guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Though it might be hard 'cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect. Second chance, so take it to without demand. You never listen, think too fast. But one day you'll understand. So sit down, listen, think for a minute.
So guys, we're back from the beach. We didn't spend too long. We spent about 2 hours the tops, and of course I got a little burned, but it's not showing. But yeah, my face is a little darker, so you can see the contrast. But yeah, so I'm going grocery shopping now because I'm going to be gone for the next few days, and by the time I come back I really want to be shopping in the weekend. So I want to do a bit of shopping right now before heading out tomorrow. And the weather is so hot, but I'm just casually dressed as per usual. I'm wearing a crop top, shorts, and like a throw-on. But yeah guys, let's go.
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my...
Good morning. It's been a few hours since I last saw you guys. I am so tired. And I'm up early for my trip to Ottawa. Well, not just me, my husband. Yeah, so I'm up early. It's like past 6 a.m. We are taking a train from London to Toronto. And then we'll fly from Toronto to Ottawa. So that's how it's going to be. But I really don't like doing this in the same day. But we spaced out the journey so we don't end up missing anything. But yeah, so I'm about to head out to the train station now. Thank God it's warm today. I hate traveling when it's cold. I'm casually dressed, bodysuit, jeans, I wear sneakers, and yeah, that's it. I'll be gone for about 3 days. Alright, I'll be sure to take you guys along and I'll try to vlog as much. So,
A minute ride made me lose my way. 1 minute high, knew my life would change. And I was hoping that you could stay. The city lights, will that remain? Oh, I hate saying goodbyes. I wish that time went slow, but I know it ain't too long before we meet. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us two. I wait for you. Counting every hour, every second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams, I feel peace. I remember it all. And all it takes is faith. Oh, I hate saying goodbye. And I wish time went slow, but I know it ain't too long for us. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can see all that glows. Feels like I'm fainting, blush like a painting, no colors of blue. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us through. I wait for you. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us through. I wait for you. I'll wait for you. No, I'll wait for you. Nothing can break us two. Babe, I wait for you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.